Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The tourists were blank by the beauty of the island. A. Unimpressed. B. Captivated. C. Bored. D. Indifferent. The correct answer is letter B. Captivated. Captivated means deeply attracted. The athlete showed blank after losing but promised to train harder. A. Bitterness. B. Sportsmanship. C. Anger. D. Arrogance. The correct answer is letter B. Sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means fairness and respect. The scientist faced blank from critics who doubted her findings. A. Praise. B. Skepticism. C. Admiration. D. Acceptance. The correct answer is letter B. Skepticism. Skepticism means doubt. The flowers gave the room a blank scent that everyone adored. A. Foul. B. Overpowering. C. Delicate. D. Unpleasant. The correct answer is letter C. Delicate. Delicate means soft and pleasant. The students remained blank during the surprise test. A. Panicked. B. Composed. C. Confused. D. Restless. The correct answer is letter B. Composed. Composed means calm. The team's blank effort led them to win the championship. A. Divided. B. Collective. C. Disorganized. D. Sloppy. The correct answer is letter B. Collective. Collective means done together. Her reaction was blank considering the seriousness of the news. A. Appropriate. B. Cheerful. C. Indifferent. D. Playful. The correct answer is letter A. Appropriate. Appropriate fits a serious situation. The journalist wrote a blank article that revealed the truth. A. Biased. B. Thorough. C. Misleading. D. Brief. The correct answer is letter B. Thorough. Thorough means complete and detailed. The children were blank when they saw the fireworks. A. Terrified. B. Amazed. C. Bored. D. Silent. The correct answer is letter B. Amazed. Amazed fits excitement and wonder. The musician delivered a blank performance that earned a standing ovation. A. Mediocre. B. Flawless. C. Shaky. D. Dull. The correct answer is letter B. Flawless. Flawless means perfect. What is your score?